Hello guys, welcome to unboxing number 2. This time it's for the high beams, the high beam housings. So I just got my headlights in today. I need to find gloves. But yeah, well, let's get unboxing as soon as I finish finding those gloves, and let's get to it. Alright, I'm back guys, and I found the gloves. So let's get to the unboxing episode part of the video, and yeah, let's see how they look first. I'm really excited. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. I'm just glad that they finally came in, that I finally was able to buy them, because I feel like it is definitely going to improve the front end look. As a matter of fact, let me show you what it looks like as of right now. Now, as you guys can see, these are the newer ones, and these are the original OEM ones. So it does kind of stick out, but now that I finally got the complimentary high beams for it, I feel like it's gonna definitely improve the look for her. So let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, here we go, and here they are. So they're high beams, your typical high beams projectors, but they also have a halo, which was the look I was trying to go for. There was various options. There was ones without the halo, and there was ones with the halo. So yeah, let me grab the other one. Here are the other ones as well. So it's gonna be a long process. I'm taking time after work to actually work on it. So when I get home, it's usually about 7. This includes like the time that I get here and then eat. So it's usually about 7:30, and then it gets dark really quick, and then I have to go to sleep early to get back up to go to work. So it's gonna be a long process, I feel, due to the fact that I need to remove the front bumper. So I have to, yeah, do all that just to replace these. I'm gonna get these started. Of the whole assembly, as you can tell, it is a little different. This one is completely white, that one is translucent, but that doesn't bug me, honestly. I feel like it's definitely better, and it doesn't look too bad. I prefer it, actually. Okay, the following part I didn't record because I couldn't get an angle which you guys would have been able to see, so I just decided to go ahead and keep it out. But what I just decided to do instead was disconnect the cable to the high beams, the wires, and just took out the bulb and put them somewhere safe, just for safekeeping. That way they're not damaged during the whole process. That's what I decided to do. Other than that, I should be able to show you guys the rest of the process, and I should actually be having my friend coming over soon. He's going to help assist in this whole process of headlights and whatnot. But yeah, I'll keep you guys looking at the video. So basically what I'm doing right here is I have access to the Toyota service information. So that's basically what I'm doing here for my car. It's kind of like my fix-it manual or whatever. Okay, so we got a little... No. I got very sidetracked. We got very sidetracked. So we didn't get much done as we wish we could have. One of the main reasons is being my brother is selling his MR2. And so it's a little hectic. We're announcing it to our neighbor who also likes cars, who's got a car guy contacts that also might be interested in the MR2. Then we're selling stuff because we're moving. It's just hectic right now. So we could have definitely done more, but sidetracked, conversations and whatnot. So that's mainly the main reason, but we're going to continue Thursday and Friday. Thanks to the boy Pedro, who's going to be assisting in the lighting, wiring. Last time he did one hell of a job. I was actually trying to look for the connection for the rings on the other headlights. I couldn't figure where he hit him. So he did one hell of a job. So big shout out to him. But yeah, we'll just continue, and I'm just going to make a time lapse of the whole process. Like I mentioned, just from start to finish. All right. So Lamel Meep has just arrived. He came in with some extra set of tools that definitely are going to come in handy. Right now my issue is trying to figure out how I'm going to solve the issue of not breaking the little plastic clips on the bumper. Yeah. But let's get going. After a long process of trial and error, this is my first time removing my bumper, and I kind of just skimmed through the instructions. Oops. But don't we all? Anyways, finally got it off to the point where I could, just remove my high beams and install them. My friend Pedro is gonna be back on his way. He went to go get some supplies that we needed, and he went with my brother, so I stayed here doing that. So even though it took a long time, hey, now I know. Isn't that great? So yeah. Oops, my bad, guys. I forgot to record the part where I took this off. It's one of them. It's for the right side. But don't worry, I will post the other one. I took it off because I didn't think it was gonna be so simple. And I also kind of forgot, to be honest. But don't worry. Here we go. Let's get to the other one. So guys, once again with my imperfect self, I totally forgot to show the video of completely removing the bumper. Obviously, I just had it hanging down earlier when I showed you guys, but I forgot to put this on record. Yep. So this is all I have left for now. Front bumper right here. And tomorrow we're gonna try and finish the majority of it. Probably if we haul and do a lot of work, we could get it done by tomorrow night. I'm down. No, but let's see. Hold on, let me shine some light. There we go. Yeah, so far so good. We're gonna leave this and continue on it again tomorrow. Yeah. Alright guys, day number 3 of the high beam headlights installation. My friend Pedro came here to help me do the wiring, getting set up. We're gonna see if we could probably finish it by today. If not, it's all good. Besides, tomorrow is Saturday, so that's dope. But yeah, we're gonna get started here in a little bit. We're just gonna set up. Okay guys, so basically the headlights I received, one of them was like broken, one of the clips that holds it. So it also looks like they try to cover it up, but you know, they obviously didn't do such a good job. Anywho, I'm gonna try and get some money back from it because I don't feel like returning it and leaving my car like this for another long period of time. So as of right now, we tried super gluing it and plasti welding it. Let's see, the results of plasti weld. Negativo. Didn't work out like we thought it would. Crazy glue. Kind of worked, I think. Kind of. We're still testing it out. It should have, you know, if it was brand new, it would have dried in like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, but it has been used, and even though I've closed it, for some reason it doesn't have its original holding power, so I don't know how this is gonna hold. Oh boy. So also, me and Pedro also kind of had some of that substance fall in our skin, so yeah, we almost glued our fingers together. How about that? Hey guys, so basically we decided to skip the whole wiring for the other headlights because it's getting dark and our resources are limited. So basically it's still the same thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just catching you guys up on the events as they develop. This has been Jared reporting live. Well, it's not live anymore. Sorry, I forget it's not live. Sorry, but yeah. We're getting ready to turn these on. Lights, camera, action. Oh, me gusta. Chuayo. That's me gusta in Korean. My Korean coworkers told me. But yeah, mucho chuayo. Mucho me gusta. Thanks, Pete, for the work. Now, obviously, we're not gonna finish tonight because it's nighttime, and I got stuff to do tomorrow. I'm going to San Jose. These guys have their own plans too. Ours is like a family day tomorrow, so yeah. Well, hello guys. It is 7 in the morning. I'm gonna try and get my car done. It's Sunday. Yesterday was a really long but fun day. So now I'm just gonna try and get the car done. And I'm just waking up, so that's why there's a seemingly lack of enthusiasm. But trust me, I'm pretty excited to get this done. Alright, well, I'm gonna get to it. current issue is I'm getting the right side to line up, but for some reason I can't get the left side. So I'm gonna cut it off just for now so I can figure out what's going on. Okay guys, so after a long time of like trying to figure out and a bit of distraction, I think I finally got the trick to lining the bumper up with the lights. Anywho, what distraction could be preventing me from finishing this work? Well, my brother has a new car. In the first video I posted, he had an MR2. He still does have the MR2, but he's trying to get rid of it as of right now, because he just got his hands on a forgotten gem of the 90s. And let's just say that it definitely is an upgrade. It's well, let's just say it's got twin turbos. It's got 2 spoolie boys. And without further ado, let me show you guys the craze. It's the Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4, and it's nice. It's really nice. Yeah, so right now he's got to get rid of the MR2, but yeah, this is it, his new whip. Yesterday we actually went to San Jose to go buy it, pick it up, get everything done, and that is why I couldn't work on it yesterday, but that's why I'm taking my time today, this morning, to work on it. But of course, we've been getting sidetracked because, you know, we're looking at it. My friend Pedro just came over a while ago, and he was like smiling like crazy. He was so happy because I guess it's been tuned as well. A previous owner tuned it, because yeah, it pops and whatnot, and the turbos sound really good. They sound the way they should sound, you know, with the little whistle. It sounds beautiful. And my friend sat inside the car while my brother, you know, was showing it off. And wow, it's awesome. Like, I'll have to show you guys a video when we go to a meet, because right now he doesn't have insurance. So we need to get insurance for the car. And it should be ready by next week. So I'll keep you guys posted on what happens. All right, so let's get back to work. Okay guys, I finally got it. My brother and Pete helped me hold the lights in place while I tightened some of the hardware, and it's kept them lined up, so thank goodness for them. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna continue. Alright people, so I went to my meeting because I'm a Jehovah's Witness, so I went to my meeting, and I'm back, and the sun went down, and there's a nice breeze, And I finally finished putting the whole car back together. I didn't record it because it was just for the fenders and whatnot, the fender lining. Oh, there's a cockroach. Anyways, I finished the whole fender wells, blah, 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 the whole screws for that. So now it's finally done. So now it's time for the main event. Let me show you all. Guys, so ready for the main event? Pete, do us the honors. Okay, now this looks so much nicer now. It finally completes the look. Oh man, after like, how many days was it? Like 5 days? 4 days. 4 days.
Oh my god.
It's like we finally got it, and wow, I'm very happy. Now all she needs is a wash because she's been sitting for like the whole week. So yeah, definitely a wash. But yeah guys, that's about it. That's gonna wrap it up. Today is a Sunday, so there's nothing going on tonight. We're just probably gonna kick it back with some friends. There's the MR2, the Civic, and then there's the VR4, and then the Ranger. So we got the whole squad here right now. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for following videos on the other cars. The other cars haven't had much work done lately, but they will be soon. This is video number 2, so it's a slow process, but we're trying to get more content to post for you guys. Thank you, and we'll see you guys in the next vid.